Ooh. This is a 10 p.m. walkthrough, and this is your favorite. Hang on, guys. My tripod is acting a fool, yo. Okay, I think that's this is a this is a 10 p.m. walkthrough, and this is your favorite. Mighty girl, Victoria the adventurer. Who's ready? Who's ready to level up in business, taxes, and strategy in 2026? There we go. I think we are good. Let's make sure. Like, share, subscribe, y'all. Like, share, subscribe. Let everybody know we're here. Do you hear me? Zo. This is a 10 p.m. walkthrough. And this is your favorite. Favorite. There we go. Mighty girl, Victoria the adventurer. Who's ready? Happy Monday, y'all. Welcome. Like, share, subscribe, y'all. This is a 10 p.m. welcome, and this is your favorite money girl, Victoria the adventurer. Come on, welcome, y'all. Oh, I'm trying to avoid the wind, so yes, there you go. Like, share, subscribe, y'all. I'm waiting for a few of y'all to come through so we can start week 9. I mean week 8, sorry. Hang on. Yeah, it's week 9. Week 9, part 9. Like, share, subscribe, yo. This is week 9, part 9. Can you believe it? Week 9, part 9. This is a 10 p.m. welcome, and this is your favorite money girl, Victoria the Adventurer. Okay? Are you ready? Happy Monday, happy Monday. I'm making sure, not shiny. I'm glossy, not shiny. How about that? Okay. Let's share the what to the other socials. Okay, I think that's good. To the other socials, okay. And we'll level up. How about that? Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe. Hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we here. Business taxes. I know everybody else. Taxes is upon us tomorrow, right? Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button to let everybody know that we're here. This is a 10 p.m. welcome. And this is your favorite mighty girl, Victoria the Adventurer. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Week 9, part 9. Topic of tonight is business taxes. Okay. Strategies, loopholes, how to win, how to level up, so that you can have money in your pocket as a business owner. You hear me? Okay. Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button, and let everybody know that we're here. Do you hear me? Uh-huh. Thank you so much. Let's do this. Okay. I think that's enough of waiting. Like, share, subscribe. If you want to level up in business taxes, pull up, yo, pull up. And these are the questions that you all are asking. Okay. Wait a minute. This is a 10 p.m. welcome, and this is your favorite money girl, Victoria the Adventurer. Uh huh. It is more. It is more. Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. And tonight is week 9, part 9. Business taxes. Oops. There you go. There you go. Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we're here. Hell yeah. What's the question tonight? Who's ready to level up in business taxes and strategy in 2026? That's all I could write, so I had to try and set it up in a way that you're gonna get it. Okay. I'm about to do what? Read the disclosure and we get to it. Okay. Welcome to week 9, part 9. business taxes. As you all know, this is an adult, mature adult section. All the content of Story the Adventure YouTube channel reflects on my own opinions and should not be taken as legal advice by any means or financial advice or investment advice, guys. Please seek out the guidance of a professionally trained and licensed individuals before making any decisions. Yes, and some links of in the description. Maybe affiliate links. Copyright by them from them and everything. Sorry, guy. I get here and I'm itching. And everything about Victoria the Adventure YouTube channel. Copyright is by me, from me, my face, my voice, my videos. If I didn't give you permission to stitch or remix, it's a violation of the copyright. So you know. Okay. And what does that happen? YouTube and I are gonna come for you and sue you. Yeah, you can't be using other people's content for free. Those days are gone. Okay. And with AR and all these other platforms and all other things that are happening, if I catch somebody, they violate, they get sued. Yes, this is a money channel. If you all want to sponsor, if you want to get sponsored, whatever, sign that contract. All my info is always in the description box. Yes. And pinned in my bio. Like, share, subscribe, yeah. Like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we're here. Do you hear me? Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we're here. Do you hear me? These headscarves, yes, sponsorship. Like, or hoodies, yes, and glasses, yes. If you all want to sponsor this channel, the Victoria the Adventure YouTube channel, all my information is in the description box and pinned the bio. Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know we are here. Good evening, good night, good morning, depending where you at. Drop an emoji of how you feeling with this economy and everything. But tonight we are simply talking about taxes. April 15th is upon us. We have 2 more days to go, and the deadline means the deadline. If you haven't filed taxes as personal, oh, you are gonna be in hot soup. IRS this year is not playing games. I tell yo, and Uncle Sam. Say the no more, no more. Not today, no never. So do yourself a favor. You have 2 more days to get it done. Do you hear me? Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we're here. And these are the we're gonna start with the regular, because yesterday is even though it was a story time weekend, we started with the spiritual a little bit and the mixture and whatever. Oh my God, let me not touch this eye. Sorry, guys, because it's going to start getting itchy. This is how it gets. I'm telling you, 1 minute touching, coughing, whatever. I don't know. Tell me if you know something, or if you're an allergist and you're right here on this chat. Tell me why it gets so itchy when they cut grass. They cut the grass last week. But I'm still itchy until today. I don't know. Well, I don't know about that. I don't know what's going on. Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we are here. And I never used to be like that. So I don't know if this is a new thing. I don't know. Week 9, Part 9, Business Taxes, April 15th, 2026 is closer than you think. This the top award. That's Q&A that you all sent, and we're here to answer your questions, and we engage. Do me a solid. I go out of my, on a limb, and I do what? Find you all this information. It's free. So let's get to it. I made 0 profit in 2025. Do I still to file my taxes for my business? This question is the most asked questions no matter what week. Week 1, now we're week 9 and still somebody. But I'm not gonna go back to it. I'm gonna just get to it because it means he's a new person and they haven't watched any replays. Do yourself a favor, yo. This is week 9. I have all the way from week 1 to all the way to right now, and I have a whole playlist for y'all. You can go out there and type anything to do with taxes, and you'll see all those lingo, loopholes, how to win, how to level up, strategies of having money in your pocket. Do you hear me? But tonight is week 9, part 9. Let's get to it. This person asked, I made zero profit in 2025. Do I still need to file my taxes for my business? Yes, IRS requires a return even if you broke even or lost money. Whether you broke even or lost money, file a Schedule C with zero profit or loss. Okay? Why? Losses can offset the other income like a W-2 job. Do you hear me? Plus failing to file, okay, starts the statute of limitation clock. Unfiled returns have no deadline for IRS to audit you ever. So, be careful out there. Number 2. What's the single biggest mistake first-time business filers make before April 2026? April 15th, 2026. Using their personal credit card for business expenses and thinking spreadsheet is enough. The IRS doesn't accept spreadsheet in an audit. They want bank statements, receipts. Fix and get a dedicated business credit card tonight, this evening, wherever you are. America. Okay, business in America. Business taxes in America. Okay. Even if it's secured, every transaction tells them a story. Question number 3. I formed an LLC in December 2025. Do I file an LLC or as myself for April 2026? You can file yourself in Schedule C unless you file from Form 8832 to elect corporate taxation. A single member LLC with no election is a disregarded entity. The IRS sees you. Okay? But here's the win. You can deduct LLC formation fees between 100 to 800 on Schedule C, line 27, legal fees. Okay? Get with it and let's do it, yo. Question number 4. Can I deduct my home office if I can also have a separate business location? I'm going to have to repeat that. Can I deduct a home office if I also have a separate business location? Yes. And let's get to why. But only for the space used exclusively and regularly. Do you hear me? For administration work, billing, calls, planning. Okay, the IRS simplified method is $5 per square foot, up to 300 square foot, which is 1,500 max. No depreciation recapture when you sell your home. Most entrepreneurs leave this on the table. Is it game or what? Like, share, subscribe, yeah. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we're talking about business taxes tonight, week 9, part 9. Come on, y'all. Pull up. Like, share, subscribe. This is the 10 p.m. Wealth Room, and this is your favorite money girl, Victoria the Adventurer. Number 5. I didn't pay estimated taxes in 2025. What happens in April 15, 2026? Ooh, baby. You may owe an underpayment penalty, which is usually between 3 to 5% of the unpaid amount, but exception exists. Where do I give you that game? if you owe less than $1,000, if you paid 100% of last year's tax, 110 if higher income, when requested a penalty waiver using the form 2210. Okay, sorry. Waiver using the form 2210. Reasonable clause. First time filer works. Don't think you're gonna be pulling this every year. This is they're gonna get you. Do you hear me? Okay. Question number 6. What's the number one deduction that gets audited for small business owners? Vehicles and trust and travel expenses. The IRS has algorithms that flag around number mileage. For example, I did 10,000 miles. From where to where? And where do you work? What is the business? Is it a franchise? Where are you going 10,000 miles? Are you in tracking business? What's going on over here? Or meals without a business purpose. Okay, and we're gonna get to that later on because something has changed in 2026, yo. For all y'all who likes to do that meals, travel meals and deducting, my bad, deducting all kind of things. Watch out, yo. Protect yourself. How do you do that? Keep keep a log. You can get an app, Mile IQ, and never deduct commuting to a regular office or client meetings, supply runs, or bank trips. That is not part of a business. That is errands for the business. Do you hear me? Question number 7. I sell online on Etsy, Amazon, and Shopify. Does the IRS know my revenue? Hell yeah. IRS knows all your money, even under the mattress, okay? Yes, 1099K threshold drops to 600 in 2026. Every platform reports. The bigger the issue. Many sellers deduct everything but report nothing. The IRS cross matches. Your deduction should never exceed 70 to 80% of your revenue in most product categories unless you have a heavy cost on goods. Do you hear me? Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe. This is the 10 p.m. walkthrough, and this is your favorite money girl, Victoria the Adventurer. Come on, yo. Question number 9. If you want to ask any question, you're right here on the live stream. Subscribe and ask. We are here to answer all your questions. You hear me? Can I deduct my phone and internet if I work from home? Partially. Do you hear me? Deduct the business use percentage of the bill. For example, $100 per month phone bill, 60% business, $60 month deduction. But you have one line for personal and another for business. Deduction is 100% of the second line. Do not play with them. Okay. Clean, separate business and personal. Okay. And if you use Google Voice, it's free. Do not play with them. Okay. Question number 9. Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know we are here. This is the 10 p.m. walkthrough, and this is your favorite money girl, Victoria the Adventurer. Do you hear me? What's the deadline to contribute to the SEP, IRA, and deduct it for 2025? April 15th, 2026, or October 15th if you file an extension. SEP IRA lets you contribute up to 25% of your net self-employment income. Do you hear me? Max only $69,000, 2025 limit. This is the single most powerful tax deduction for solo business owners. Do you hear me? Is this game or what? Every $1 contributed saves 20 5 to 35 cents in tax. Okay, that's money in your pocket. Okay, like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we're here every night. And tonight is business taxes. If y'all want to learn the loopholes, y'all want to save money, new entrepreneurs, you're selling out there with TikTok shop, Shopify, whatever else, Amazon, whatever. Pull up, learn about business taxes. You hear me? Question number 10. I paid a contractor $5,000 in 2025, but didn't issue a 1099 NEC. What do I do? Fire it now. You'd rather do it late than never. Okay. The penalty is between 60 to 310 per form by IRS most of the time, or often waives first time late filings if you show reasonable cause. Okay. More importantly, without a 1099, you cannot deduct a 5,000 in an audit. File Form 1099 NEC with the IRS and give a copy of the contract by February 15, 2026. You are late, but it's better late than never. Do you hear me? Like, share, subscribe, y'all. Question number 11. Can I deduct health insurance premiums if I'm self-employed? Yes. Above the line, meaning it reduces your adjusted gross income. Deduct premiums for yourself, spouse, or dependents, but the deduction cannot exceed your net profit, business profit, and you cannot deduct any months you are eligible for subsidized employer plan. Okay, I'm gonna have to say that again. If you were eligible for a subsidized employer plan, even if you didn't take it, IRS, Uncle Sam, do not care. Do you hear me? Like, share, subscribe here. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we're here. Question number 12. What's the difference between a tax extension and a payment extension? Huge difference. Filing Form 4868 extends your time to file to October 15th, 2026, not your time to pay. You must estimate and pay what you owe by April 15th, 2026, or face late payment penalties, okay, which is 0.4% per month. So you are making the money as you do not do what you're supposed to do. Many people get this wrong and owe thousands of dollars extra for asking for an extension instead of just filing it and then getting it over with. Hello. Question number 13. I owe W2 job. I'm sorry. I have an W2 job and a side business. How do I estimate taxes work? Increase your W2 withholding instead of paying quarterly estimated taxes. Submit a new form W4 to your employer asking for an extra amount of money per paycheck. This is easier, penalty proof, and feels less painful. If you prefer quarterly payments, use the form 1040 ES, which is due April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th. And this is about business taxes. And this is your favorite money girl, Victoria the Adventurer. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Like, share, subscribe, yo. Question number 14. What's the business interest deduction, and can I take it in 2026? If your business has an average gross receipts of 30 million, you can deduct all business interest, credit card loans, and lines of credit, etc. No limitation. Above that, there's a 30% of adjusted taxable income cap for 99% of small businesses. So deduct every penny of your interest. Do you hear me? Is that game or what? Like, share, subscribe, yeah. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button, let everybody know that we're here. And this is the 10 p.m. walkthrough. And this is your favorite money girl, Victoria the Adventurer. Do you hear me? Okay. Question number 9. Question number 15. I bought a laptop for for 2500 in 2025. Do I have to depreciate it over 5 years? Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. That's why I couldn't hold it. No, no, no. Use section 179 to deduct the full 2500 in 2025. Same for software, furniture, of off-the-shelf equipment. The 2025 limit is 1.2 million. Only real estate vehicles over 6,000 pounds and custom build requires depreciation. I'm gonna have to repeat that. Only real estate vehicles that are over 6,000 pounds and a custom builds require depreciation. Most entrepreneurs unnecessarily spread deduction across years and come to find out they owe. Don't do it. Question number 16. What happens if I miss the April 15th deadline entirely? Ooh, baby. Failure to file penalty is 5% of your unpaid taxes per month. Maximum, the maximum is 25%. Failure to pay the penalty is 0.5% per month. Combined, you can owe 25 extra within 5 months. Solution: even if you can't pay, file. April 15th is the deadline. Come on, yo. Form 4868 is free. Then request a payment plan and agree to an installment plan. And that this can all be done online in minutes. Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we're here every day at 10 p.m. Okay. Question number 17. Can my LLC pay for my life insurance and deduct it? No. Not for you. For you as an owner, okay? The IRS considers that a personal expense. However, an LLC can pay for the key person insurance of an employee, tax deductible, and your LLC can reimburse you for the term life under a formal medical reimbursement plan. This is a very specific rule right here. Get a CPA. Get somebody who understands insurance and somebody who knows math. This math is not mathing, and guess what? That's how people get audited. Do you hear me? Question number 18. I donated inventory for charity. Can I deduct more than that cost? Hello. Why would you do that? Somebody asked. No, this can't be done. Remember all these questions. One person does something and the other one doesn't. Okay, let's go back to it. This person in the live stream is asking, I donated inventory to a charity. Can I deduct more than the cost? Yes. If you donate to a qualified charity and the inventory is used for charities exempt purposes, not resold. Not resold. Do you hear me? You can deduct cost plus half the expected profit, capped twice the cost. Do you hear me? Example: if this thing costs $100, you sell it for $300. Deduction is 100 plus 100, which is 200. Most business owners miss this completely. Don't be that one. Okay. Like, share, subscribe, y'all. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we're here. And this is the 10 p.m. walkthrough. And this is your favorite money girl, Victoria the Adventurer. Do you hear me? Question number 18. Oh, that's the one that we read. Sorry. Question number 19. What records must I keep? For how long after April 15th, 2026? The records go 3 years from the filing date or 2 years from when you pay the tax, whichever is later. For unfiled taxes or fraud, however, things for assets or real estate, equipment is 3 years after you sell or dispose. Keep bank statement, receipts, invoices, mileage logs, and 1099s. Digital scans are fine. Just be organized. Don't just give them and just say, I'm not sure what is this. You better have that bookkeeper. Call me. Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button, let everybody know that we're here every night at 10 p.m. And this is your favorite money girl, Victoria the Adventurer. Do you hear me? Question number 20. What's the one thing I can do between tonight and April 15th? We only have 48 hours to save the most on taxes. Yo, this person is not playing games. They want that coin with the war, the economy, with the gas prices. Woo, baby, don't play. Open and fund a solo 401k if you have no full-time employees beside a spouse. Deadline is December 31st, 2025 to establish the plan. But you can make contribution up to April 15, 2026 for 2025. Max is $23,000 employee and $34,500 employer. 25% of that compensation total $57,500. And for 2025, this is one move saves high earners $10,000 plus. Pull up, yo. Like, share, subscribe. This is the 10 p.m. Wealth Room, and this is your favorite money girl, Victoria the Adventurer. Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know we're here. Okay? And we're getting to the next segment. And this one, the pace is close to the same thing, still taxes, business taxes. But the thing is, this is how we win when it comes to loopholes, strategies, and it's 100% legal. Everything here is legal. And if 90% of that is unknown, I don't know. You tell me. Come on, yo. Drop in the chat. Come on. Let's engage, yo. Question number 1. Can my business pay my rent if I live in the same building as my office? Yes, but with precision. If you have a separate dedicated space, for example, locked office in an apartment or separate unit in a duplex, your LLC can pay proportionate rent if you are the person who is supposed to do that. You report that rent on Schedule E, not self-employment tax. Your LLC deducts it, the IRS allows it. If your rent is market rate and the space is exclusive for business, loopholes, this also builds rental history on your personal credit. How about that? Is that game or what? Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we're here, okay? Now, question number 2. What is the Augusta rule? And how can I use it for a tax-free income? That's a good question. IRC Section 288. You can rent your home to a business up to 14 days per year, completely tax-free. Is that game or what? On your personal return. You need to report the income. Your business deducts it. What's the catch? You must charge a fair market rate and hold actual meetings, events there. For example, rent your living rent your living room for $500 a day for a team strategy, okay? Or that is 7,000 tax free to you, deductible to your business. Okay. Question number 3. Can I deduct payments to my children? Can I deduct payments to my children and do they pay taxes on it? Yes. And they are likely gonna pay zero. If you pay your child and they're under 18 years old for legitimate work, don't go lying that they were doing the books and they're 9 years old, or they wrote all kind of strategies for your business, and they are the admin and they are 3 years old. Come on, yeah, don't do that. But you can use your children as models. They can do admin work, of course, if they, with all this good stuff and platforms. And kids these days are very, very, very sharp. Okay, social media or cleaning. Use your child tax purposes, but do not exploit because they're gonna come for you. Okay, you earn up to 14,600, which is the 2025 standard deduction, tax free. No FICA tax if under 18 and the business is a sole prop or single member LLC. The strategy is open a Roth IRA for your child with those earnings, tax-free growth for decades. By the time they are grown, they have money for buying their first car or paying for something else, or even a down payment for their house. How about that? Be that parent that is looking for a legacy for your family. Okay. Question number 4. What's a cost segregation study? And when does it make sense for small businesses? It breaks down a property purchase into components: carpet, lighting, wiring. That depreciation is 5, 7, or 15 years instead of 27.5 or 39 years. This acceleration deductions dramatically. Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe. This is the 10 p.m. Waltham, and this is your favorite money girl. Yes, I'm here to give you a game on your business taxes, yo. Keep coming, keep coming. Like, share, subscribe. Yes. And the largest viewership are men. So tell all those dudes to come and get the play. You hear me? This makes sense if you buy commercial real estate or rent a property over 200K, which costs 3 to 8K, benefit 50 to 100K. Okay, in accelerated depreciation in 1 year. Most small business owners have never heard of it. Come on, yo. Don't be like that. Question number 5. Can my business buy my car, and what's the 6,000 pound loophole? Hang on, yo. Wait a minute. What is going on here? I'm right here. Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we're here. Do you hear me? Okay. This is the 10 p.m. Waltham, and this is your favorite money girl, Victoria the Adventurer. Okay. Question number 5. Can my business buy a car, and what's a 6,000 pound loophole? Yes. Here's the big one. All vehicles that are 6,000 pounds gross vehicle weight rating, which is GVWR, qualifies for Section 179, full depreciation in 1 year up to 30,500 in 2025. For example, Ford F-150, Lightning, Tesla Model X, Chevrolet Suburban, most large SUV trucks. Even you remember everybody was talking about the what? Drop in the chat if you know which car everybody was talking about. Buy this. Come on, yo. Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button and let everybody know we're here. This is the 10 p.m. walkthrough. And this is your favorite money girl, Victoria the Adventurer. Okay. Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we're here. Do you hear me? Yeah, everybody was talking to G Wagon. Yes, you are right. I was like, why aren't these people? They didn't get the lingo. Everybody was like, buy yourself a G Wagon, and you can. It's tax deductible. Can you afford the payments? Buy that G Wagon. It's taxable. Oh God. Don't be like that. Okay. Like, share, subscribe, yo. You're limited to 20,400 in bonus depreciation 1 year with restriction. The strategy is buy a qualifying vehicle through your LLC before December 31st if you're trying to get on this loophole. Okay. Question number 6. What is the R&D tax credit and can non-tech business claim it? Yes, and this is a massive underclaimed. Any business that develops a new process, a product, a software can qualify. For example, a bakery tests a new gluten-free recipe. A plumber designing a new pipe routing system. A YouTuber developing a new edit workflow. Yes. Credit is between 10% of qualified wages and supplies. Yes, which is 100K in R&D wages. Okay, which equals to 10K direct what? Credit, no deduction. Carry forward 20 years if unused. This is game or what? This is the 10 p.m. walkthrough. And this is your favorite money girl, Victoria the Adventurer. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Like, share, subscribe, yo. Question number 7. Can I deduct my family's health insurance if my spouse has a W-2 job? Yes, but the strategy changes. If your spouse employer offers insurance and you cannot deduct premiums paid by your business for your spouse if they decline coverage. However, you can deduct premiums for yourself and your children if your business had no other employees. Even better, establish a health reimbursement arrangement. HRA. Your business reimburses you tax free and you deduct the reimbursement. Is that game or what? Is that game or what? Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know that you're here. Question number 8. What's the captive insurance? What's a captive insurance company? And is it a real tax strategy? Pull up, yo. What's your thing? Yes, for businesses making 1 million plus profit annually. You form your own insurance company and insures the businesses that have specific risks, cyber, supply chain, key person. Okay, you deduct premiums often as 100K to 300K a year as business expense. How about that? The the captive invest those premiums tax deferred. After years, you can wind down and take distribution as capital gains rate. Not for beginners though. Don't get greedy. Uncle Sam is gonna come for you. But a massive level up for scaling business. Question number 9. Can I deduct business losses against my W-2 spouse income? This is the most asked question. Yes, if you file jointly and your business is a sole prop, LLC, or partnership, your business loss reduces your combined adjusted gross income. But watch the passive activity loss rules. Do you hear me? If you don't materially participate, 500 plus hours per year, losses are limited. Strategy: track your hours daily. Log saves thousands in disallowed losses. Question number 10. What's a donor advised fund and how does it beat a standard charitable deduction? You That's a very good question, yo. Oh my gosh. You contribute appreciated assets, stocks, crypto, even business equipment to a DAF. Take the fair market value deduction immediately. Do you hear me? Then recommend grants for charities over years. Why? You avoid capital gains on the appreciation. For example, you bought crypto for $5,000, you own 20,000. Donate a DAF deductible 20K, pay zero capital gains. The grant is $5,000 a year for 4 years to your church or a local nonprofit. This is how we do it. Loopholes, strategies, how to level up as a business owner. Come on, yo. Pull up. Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we're here. Do you hear me? Question number 11. Can my business pay for my vacation if I do 1 hour of work? No. IRS targets that aggressively. The loophole people have been using is a lie, is a whole lie. Do you hear me? How do we get to this? The loophole that works: combine business with pleasure. This trip has a primary business purpose: meeting a client, attending a conference. Okay, you deduct flights, hotel, meals for business days. Extended trip personally, you can pay for the extra days. Okay. Strategy: schedule a 3-day conference Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday or Sunday. Personal and business portion fully deductible. Okay. That is game on what? Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we're here every night at 10 p.m. Tonight, business taxes. Who's ready to level up in business taxes and strategies and get all that back to work, to their business? Question number 12. What's the difference between a tax credit and a tax deduction? This person is asking. And which one is better? A tax credit reduces your tax dollar for dollar. A deduction reduces your taxable income. For example, $1,000 credit saves you 1,000, which deduction is 1,000. A 25% tax bracket saves you $250. Credits of FAR are valuable. Under determined credits R&D above. Family medical leave credit is 12.5% to 25% of your wages. Electric vehicles credit for business vehicles up to $7,500. Okay. Question number 13. Can I deduct my gym membership as a business expense? People want to save left and right. I get it. It's the war. Everybody wants to, they are annoyed by the gas prices. Everybody wants to save about groceries, gas. They're taxes, but this is business taxes. Come on, yo. I'm gonna have to read that. Can I deduct my gym membership as a business expense? Almost never, unless you're a fitness professional or a model. That physical fitness is an ordinary and necessary business expense. As a, a little known workaround, this is a loophole. If your business provides gym memberships for your employees, okay, as wellness fitness, it's fully deductible. Set up a formal wellness reimbursement plan and document, yo. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button, let everybody know that we're here. Question number 14. What's the self-rental strategy for real estate investors? This is another question that everybody was asking. You own a building personally, your LLC rents it from you, you report rental income on Schedule E, no self-employment tax. Okay? Game. Your LLC deducts the rent, but here's the level up. Yo, if your LLC shows a loss, that loss can offset your other passive income. Okay? By rent at market rate, not inflated. This is legal and powerful for separating real estate from operating businesses. Do you hear me? Question number 15. Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we're here. Do you hear me? Yes. Can I pay a future by self? Can I pay my future self via defined benefit plan instead of 401k? This person is asking. Yes. And this is an ultimate high earner strategy. A defined benefit plan lets you contribute 200k to 300k a year, tax deductible based on your age and income. Best for business owners who are making more than 300 plus a year. 200k tax deductible in 2025. That's 250k off your taxable income. The catch is you must contribute annually and eventually take distribution in retirement. Find an actually or set it up. Do you hear me? Question number 16. Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we're here. What's the home office deduction strategy for renters versus owners? Renters deduct the business percentage for rent, utilities, and renters insurance. Owners, the simplified method, $5 a square foot, up to 1,500 is often because you can avoid depreciation recapture when selling your home. Depreciation recapture forces you to pay back 25% of the depreciation taken when you sell. When you sell it. Many owners unknowingly create a future tax bill. So, what's the strategy? How do we level up? Use a simplified method for your home office. Save actual method for a separate commercial space. So that's how we level up, yo. Like, share, subscribe. Question number 17. Can I deduct crypto losses if my business accepted crypto payments? Yes. And this is wildly underused. If your business held crypto for a lost value and you sold and exchanged it, you can deduct the loss as capital loss up to 3,000 per year against ordinary income and limited against capital gains. If you accept crypto as payment and its value dropped before you convert it to the American dollar, that's a business loss, fully deductible with no 3,000 limit. The strategy is track basis meticulously. Most don't. Question number 18. What is the family management company strategy for high income professionals? A doctor, a lawyer, W 2 employees cannot deduct many expenses. but their spouses form a management company, which is an LLC. The LLC bills as a professional for the management services, scheduling, billing, marketing. The professional pays the LLC after tax dollars. Like, share, subscribe here. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. But the LLC then deducts those same expenses: home office, car, phone, meals. That is the professional things that they couldn't. Okay? The income flows in the spouse, potentially a lower tax bracket. Is it controversial? Hell yeah. Is it legal? Of course it is. Over here, everything is legal. We are not trying to make you get into a situation, although I have a disclaimer. And I read it. Or do you hear me? Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we're here. Legal with proper documentation. Yes. Okay. Question number 19. Can my business pay for my education and deduct it? Hell yeah. But only if the education maintains and improves the skills needed for your current business. Learning to be a better marketer, deductible. Getting a CPA license while running a non-accountant business, not deductible. They don't go together. Come on, it's peanut butter and jelly or jelly jelly. Well, what's going on over here? The loophole: if your business pays for education, that qualifies you for a new trade or business, is not deductible. Okay. The strategy is always tie the course or degree to a specific business needed documentation in writing. That's how you do what? You win and you get your deductible. Question number 4. Question number 20, sorry. What? Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we're here, okay? What's the single most overlooked deduction of online businesses in 2026? Digital assets cost, software, subscription, website hosting, domain names, online courses, stock photos, digital templates, even AI tool subscription, Chat GPT, Mid Journey, for example. Okay, most entrepreneurs deduct this by fail to properly categorize them. Then, how do we level up? If a digital asset has a new and useful life of more than 1 year, for example, $2,000 website theme, you must itemize it for 36 months under the section 197. Okay, most people don't. The IRS is starting to flag that in 2026. Get on it, fix it, get your money. Get your money. Let's level up here. Like, share, subscribe here. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button, and let everybody know that we're here. And how was that? Did I give you a game or what? Y'all better do me a solid and then subscribe and share. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button, let everybody know that we're here. And the question of the day was, who's ready to level up in business, taxes, and strategies in 2026 and put that money back into your business in your pocket? More over here. Over here. We're here every night. This is the 10 p.m. Waltham, and this is your favorite money girl, Victoria the Adventurer. Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we are here every single night. Every single night. All right. Somebody asked, who is Victoria the Adventurer? Is this girly? She is God-fearing, kind, and her channel is all about money, 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 and more money and movement. We talk about money, everything, business. Yes. We talk about business taxes, business insurance, business lending, how to get funded and structure, how to get that bag, which is government contracts. If you want that bag, you better come back or go find the replays. I have replays, I have a whole playlist. If you all want to level up and get that bag and stop being broke and just stop scrolling and being broke, you here. Let's level up, yo. 2026 is the year of getting that bag, getting that money. Drop it in the chat what you want to hear and what your questions are so that we can wrap it up, okay? Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button, and let everybody know that we're here every single night. Who's ready to level up, yo? Who's ready to level up? Week 9, part 9, business taxes. And in 48 hours is gonna be what? The deadline for everybody doing taxes. Y'all better get on it. Don't get what? Penalized, okay? This is the 10 p.m. Waltham, and this is your favorite money girl, Victoria the Adventurer. And they ask, so who is this Victoria the Adventurer? It's all about God, family, therapy. God, family, excuse me, therapy. My bad. I wanted to sneeze, but we went wrong. Sorry about that. Like, share, subscribe, yo. God, family, and therapy. Why God, family, and therapy? God, because without God, I'm nothing. My whole life is about God. God comes first, equally yoked with everything. Mind, body, spirit. Family, it means yo. The 10 p.m. Waltham community. The Victoria the Adventurer YouTube channel community. And now I have the Wednesday Men's Edition community. Y'all are doing me a solid, dudes. Dudes are the largest viewers of this YouTube channel, the Victoria the Adventurer YouTube channel. I thank you. I don't take it for granted. Keep coming back. Share, like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe. And why therapy? I'm a huge advocate of therapy. If it's not for you, don't worry. Over here, we don't shove nothing. This is just somebody who asked me who's Victoria the Adventurer. And so those three things is part of more. God, family, therapy. God, family, therapy. Me, Victoria the Adventurer. But it's not about me. It's about you. So if you find this video as a replay, drop your questions. Just because April 15th is coming, that doesn't mean nothing, because this is about business. Business taxes is quarterly. April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and next year, January. So it's January, April, June and September. How about that? Okay. Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button, let everybody know that we're here. I thank you so much for joining tonight, week 9, part 9, and I'm on TikTok. All my info is in my bio. Over there is story time. Sometimes I talk about what I'm talking about here. And I'm a DJ too. So if you want to come over there and we do story time and chill, same name, Toya the Adventure over there. Okay. Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we are here. And I thank you so much for being here tonight. And let's get to the best of the best. Which is my spiritual people. I thank you so much. And we're going to end this by reading Psalms 23. Yes, this is a faith-based channel. And I thank you for being here. Okay? The Lord is my shepherd, to feed, to guide, to shield me, which is taxes. I shall not want. He lets me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters and quiet waters, sorry. He refreshes and restores my soul, which is life. He leads me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the unsunless valley of the shadow of death, I fear no evil, for you are with me, my rod to protect, your staff to guide. They comfort and console me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You have anointed and refreshed my head with oil. My cup runs over, which is overflow. Surely goodness and mercy and unfailing love shall follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell forever through all my days in the house and in the presence of the Lord. How about that? Like, share, subscribe, y'all. Like, share, subscribe. That was Psalms 23, and it means a lot to me. And I thank Allah God Almighty for giving us life, health, wealth, whatever you're praying for, whether it's gas. People are pissed off with the headlines, with the war, with the groceries. For all you who eat meat, I saw the beef is now 17% more expensive than last week. Y'all better get on those beans, y'all. Start fasting. You know, some people it's gonna be a very good thing for losing weight and enjoying life. How about that? With the summer coming. Like, share, subscribe, yeah. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button, let everybody know that we're here. And let's finish up this week 9 of part 9, business taxes, with a prayer. Lord, you are the source of all our wisdom, including the kind that is deep. What you have entrusted to us. We don't ask for greed, we ask for stewardship. Show us legal and ethical and creative strategies that honor you and protect our families. Give us accountants and advisors who know what we don't know. And let us use what we save to give more, build more, and serve more. And this all in the mighty and the blood of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Let's level up legally and then drop and smash that amen. Like, share, subscribe, yo. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button, let everybody know that we are here every night at 10 p.m. And this is your favorite money girl, Victoria the Adventurer. Like, share, subscribe. I have playlists of everything that we talk about here, and tonight was week 9, part 9, business taxes. And we know that we have a common arsenal. Let's go out there strategically in 2026, legally, creatively, and powerfully, and win. Like, share, subscribe, y'all. It's been an honor of mine, and I thank y'all. Keep liking, sharing, subscribing, and don't forget to hit that notification button so that you are part of this community. I thank you so much. Thank you for the new subscribers. Keep coming back. I thank you so much. As always, may the Lord God bless you and keep you. Until next time, this is your favorite money girl, Victoria the Adventurer. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let everybody know that we're here. And this is God bless you. Until next time, sleep well, be peaceful and hopeful, and all this shall pass. Until next time, God bless you. Good night. Peace.